Hi, this is Mila and I'm back with another ball. This is MG's Miniverse Make It Mini Treats Series 1. There are 12 to collect and it has some really good ones. I already have the ring pops and I have the little owl with the Tootsie Roll pops. And I'm wondering what this is. These ones don't come with pinholes. They do come with some kind of pencil marks, and the pencil mark for this one is right here, from what I understood. I'm not sure whether it's true or not, but thus far I haven't gotten any doubles. I mean, I only have two, but like I haven't gotten any doubles, so we're good to go. And the pink ball is the ball that's inside. And it's really lovely. It looks kind of retro cute. There it is. I can see a little peek of it. So I'm loving the idea of keeping those balls. This is what it sounds like. Oh, there's a lot of knocking in this one. Okay. And it is, almost. Ha! Don't do it. Hey! And I filmed it, so there's proof that I did it for real. Okay, there we go. This is so exciting. This one is a little drawer, which the first ball was pretty humiliating how I found that out. Oh. Shaved ice. I'm trying to, try not to stick the drawer. Get it stuck. Oh, is it coming out? Maybe? Okay. Either way, there we go. And there's aha! I think I know what I'm getting. I will put this ball away because I already have one in the background. And let's start by this one because I'm sensing tongues and maybe a spoon. Spoon? Straw. That's what I said. I said a straw. Yes, this one is hollow as well. You can kind of see, not really, but I love it. Oh, there is a spoon. I was really just kind of saying spoon, but I didn't know whether there would be spoon. That's hilarious. Okay, there is a spoon and there are tongues. I was correct, surprisingly. Okay, I'll just put the spoon there. Oh, there we go. There's my Icee cup. I love it. It's so cute. And this is now empty. And this is, oh no, that must be the glue liquid or whatever they're calling it now, is the Icee Blue Raspberry. And a nozzle. A nozzle! Okay, this is exciting. Oh no, I dropped it again. I keep dropping those. And the series is so cute. I want the Pez dispensers and the Peeps. They're all really cute. And the Twizzlers. And the Bazooka. And the Chupa Chups. Basically, I want all of them, but I only have one more ball, so it is what it is. Okay, so I'm putting some liquid to fill it up. Then I'm putting shaved ice and mixing it up. Adding more shaved ice, continuing to mix. Mixing in a clockwise direction. And I guess wiping it to make sure that it's nice and clean. And then closing it. Okay, I'm gonna... okay, cleaning it and then closing it. And then putting some more in a container. And then adding more. Why am I not adding it to begin with? I guess because I'm adding... Oh, just 2 drops to make it like stand up. Okay, I get it. Okay, sort of get it. And then make sure it stands up with a spoon. But the first time I'm mixing up with a straw. Okay, and I do need to make sure that it stands up so I can put the... Okay, so I can put the lid over it. Okay. There's no way I can mess this up. Okay. Okay. This is starting great. I can't open the thing. Usually I just twist it and it comes off pretty easily. But I guess it's a good thing that it didn't come apart in the ball, so I shouldn't be complaining. I should be saying, "Oh yay, I get the full bottle." There we go. I hope it's a lovely blue color. It does seem a pretty intense blue on the thing. Okay, can't see anything. It looks pretty empty. So, I guess... Okay, I'll put some liquid and then go from there. I'll turn it around so it's easier to see. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's very nice and transparent. It's a pretty color. Okay. Let's put some shaved ice and mix it up. I guess I'll take it more in stages. Whoopee. I didn't think to not tilt this. Okay. And let's mix with the straw and see how it goes. I hope you won't introduce too many bubbles. Okay. Oh, I guess that's why they're saying to like clean the edges, because it's messy and it's sticking everywhere. Okay. I do want to make sure that the cup is nicely full. Okay. And you can see the ice to the very bottom. So maybe I should have started by putting just a little bit of ice on the bottom. But okay, we're good now. Stage 2, add more and add more ice. Come on. Oh, I'm toward the end of the bottle. Okay, so we need to save definitely a couple of drops. So I'll just keep like adding shaved ice, and I'll tilt this so the drops come like more easily out. Okay. I do wonder what I'm supposed to mix all of it in, because there's a ton of shaved ice in here. I do have one of these containers, I guess, so that's what I'll use. That one was from the Springform cake pan from the from Scratch Kit. Okay, I'll add some more because it's not full. Oh, I added too much, I think. Put some back. Okay, because I do want to make sure that it's a nice consistency and comparable with the one that's on the bottom. Okay, and I guess that's what they're saying too. Clean the edges. That makes way more sense now. Okay, there we go. Oh, and there's still more space. Oh, so inevitably I'll end up filling it more. Okay. And since I don't want to waste any of the liquid that I have left, I will be adding more shaved ice, I guess. Okay. This is interesting. And I am trying not to make a mess, but like, I'm very happy that I'm working over a surface I can clean. Because I don't know if you can hear it, but there's little pieces falling out. Inevitably, because it's at this point it's really full. And it is becoming like a much brighter color on the top, so I have no choice but to try to engage the liquid at the bottom just so it becomes a nice blue on top as well. But how come the level keeps not increasing? I did add more. Why? Maybe there's some on the straw, but there's not that much on the straw. Oh, okay. Should I have just pre-mixed it on the side? But they did show to do it inside. Okay. I mean, at this point. And they are just saying to use the spoon for the very last stage. I don't know. I don't want to ruin it because it is so cute. Okay. And I do have the shaved ice machine, but I do have to say that was like, it required muscle to turn it and like shave the ice. So I'm very glad that they provided the shaved ice for this one. Okay. Okay, I think I filled it. I think it looks good. Well, I mean, not clean, but you know what I mean? Like it's full. So I can add the straw, I guess. Just so I can cure this portion. Let me just clean the sides, I guess. Do I have some more paper left? Not this one. There's a little bit of a sploosh on this, but I can use it. Okay. How do I do this? Like this. I don't want to take too much of it off either. So. And then pass it on top to make sure that it doesn't actually stick. Or at least that's the hope. We'll see shortly whether I will be successful. Okay, and since this is the top, there we go. Does it actually close? Okay, no, it just fits over the top. Okay, let's cure. Moment of truth. It is cured. Is it gonna open? Uh-oh. Okay. It does open. Yay! Oh, there's a level here that I shouldn't have gone above, which could have helped. Okay, do you see the little line over here? Well, I shouldn't have gone above this line, and I clearly did, so that's why it was a bit stuck. Thankfully, it did go well, and I didn't manage to empty it. Okay, they are saying to mix shaved ice, oops, with the liquid, but I think I'll just put a little bit, and I can always add more, but it's difficult to subtract. Well, how difficult is it? It depends on how much liquid I have. Okay, I will take off, and then I can always add more shaved ice. Okay, I should have maybe used the other container, but it's too large. This one, it's like more concentrated. And this way I can add a couple of drops. Or one drop because it's kind of large. Okay. Because I didn't put the nozzle. Silly me. Come on. Okay. Hopefully. Okay, this is not very productive. It just got stuck on the spoon. Maybe if I were to press it out. I do have the spatula from the... Okay. That I hadn't cleaned well. I do have the spatula from the ring pops. So I could just kind of use it to take whatever is stuck on the spoon off, so I can restart mixing it. Okay. I do wonder whether I should have just straight up gone with the spatula for this one. Okay. It does feel like I need maybe a little bit more. It is really not blue, and it's really not sticky. I'm very glad that I didn't start off by putting everything, because imagine how much, what a mess I would have made, and I wouldn't definitely had enough. Although I shouldn't have put it straight, but come on. I just need the one drop. You can do it. One little drop. Oh, there we go. Just the one. Okay. I mean, I should be able to open it even after I do this. Like, remove the lid, I mean, so the lid shouldn't be stuck, which means I shouldn't be putting way too much on top. So I should try to not touch the sides. Did I maybe not put enough of the droppy things, or I just put too much ice? It does look bluer once it's on, though. The base is really blue, so that does help. Okay, I'll just put the spoon off to the side and go with the directly on with the spatula. It feels weird to put a spatula on this, but I mean, as long as it sticks right, that's what's most important. Somehow it does not inspire a lot of confidence. Okay. So you know what? I will return it. And I'll just mix it nicely. And if it doesn't open, it doesn't open. So be it. Okay, let's put a bit more shaved ice because clearly that wasn't enough. Okay. And I'm very much adapting the recipe to what I want. Just put a dollop in there. Okay. Come on. Okay. I know this is way more than they're saying, but I do want it to have a nice blue color, so this is clearly my decision, and I'm not following the instructions, so we'll see how it'll turn out. Oh, this is actually a really nice blue color. And it does kind of look like the proper amount, so... Okay, this is surprising. Okay. Hey, so far so good. It's actually, like, better than I expected. Okay, and I do need to lower the level a bit. But I think it looks pretty good. Okay. I will cure, and we'll see whether it closes. Here it is cured. It is no longer sticking, and now it's, I guess, the moment of truth of is it sticky? Because I didn't want it to come out of anywhere, and I did want to be able to open it if possible. And hey, success! Here is my Icee, and the flavor is blue raspberry. Okay, let me remove the box at this point, or just move it off to the side. What do I like best? I do love the look of this, but I didn't really follow the instructions, and it turned out, I think, better. So, the Tootsie Pops are definitely going... the Tootsie Pops. The Ring Pops are going still as my number 1. This is going to be now my number 2. And the Tootsie Roll Pop, it will be my number 3. That said, I think the Ring Pops are like a definite first for me. I do enjoy the other two. Like, it was fun, but definitely like number 1 for me. Oh, and I guess I can serve it with the thing under that I kind of forgot. So there we go. And yeah, let me know what I did wrong. Maybe instruction-wise, because I do feel like I didn't follow the instructions, but it turned out like it should have, because I did put the 2 drops and the colors there. But I did, like, with just the 2 drops, the shaved ice looked so white and it wasn't sticking, so I did pour way more. But I don't know. I think it turned out okay. I hope you enjoyed this and you'll learn from my mistakes, and I will see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!